get older, it's harder to get up. Okay. Jim Wood, and my primary thing, I've done a lot of different types of real estate investing stuff. I develop where I find solutions for people. And very good at finding the non-traditional, somebody's already been their attorney, their CPA, won't work. I've made dozens and dozens and dozens of situations work well. Today, I'm here specifically for a happy one. I want money. I have a private living opportunity for a gentleman in Modesto. And this, I'm seeking for a $250,000 note. You fund $225,000 to immediate 10% yield increase, 10% a year, 1 to 3 year, all this stuff we can talk about individually if you have an interest. Secured by a property, 2.3 acres, 160 grand owed against it, for market value, about 800 grand, so massive equity coverage. And there's just a lot more detail I can provide. I have handouts for anybody who might want it when we're breaking up, and talk to you further about all that. So private money, immediate funding, meaning next couple weeks possibly. I'll get you lots of other data about the place. And secure it by no deed of trust, be second position, and move forward. Okay? Thanks.